Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the demonstration of our newly launched model, that is Neptune Plus. So in this machine we have upgraded some of the features. The screen size has been increased to 12.1 inches of screen size. We have changed the touch screen. So this will be coming up with the new touch screen that will be a capacitive touch, and we have done some of the software changes in this machine. So I'll be explaining that features in detail in the video. So coming on to the back side of the machine, this is the description we will be giving. So you will be connecting the power cord on the power socket over here. Then we have the extra power sockets at the back side to connect the monitor, and we have a dedicated on-off switch for that. Then some of the upgradable connectors we are giving in this. So we have the USB drive, flash drive connection, we have the RS-232 port, and we have the network port to connect it with the charting system or any of the CMS system. Then at the back side itself we have the yokes. One is for oxygen, where you can mount the pin index cylinders, and other is for the nitrous oxide cylinder. Then dedicated connectors are there for the pipeline system. So we have for the oxygen, we have for the nitrous oxide, and we have for the air. And at the back side itself we are giving the scavenging port, where you can connect either the passive scavenging system or the active scavenging system. So this is the port over here. This machine comes with the 3 gas configuration. So we have the 6 tubes rotameters, so 2 for oxygen, 2 for nitrous oxide, and 2 for air. We have the dedicated knobs for each and every gases. So oxygen knob is there, nitrous oxide and air. So these are color coded as well as touch coded. Then we have the input pressure gauges. These 3 gauges are for the pipeline system. So for the input we are giving the pressure gauges to depict the pressure, and for the cylinders we have one pressure gauge each for each yoke which is there. So we have the connector for connecting 2 vaporizer at the same time. So right now it has been connected with 2 vaporizer. One is the sevoflurane and the other is the isoflurane. You can take the output of the gases, anesthesia gases, either from the open circuit or from the closed circuit. So we have the changeover knob over here. That is, you can control the output either from the open circuit or from the closed circuit, and the same will be shown on the ventilator screen also. So in whatever mode you are operating the machine, that will be depicted on that will be displayed on the ventilator screen also. Then the machine is equipped with the circle absorber system. So we are giving a single canister circle absorber system, and we have the airway pressure manometer. We have the back to vent switch for the automatic and manual ventilation. Then we have the circle absorber bypass switch. Then inspiratory port and expiratory port are with the inbuilt flow sensor, integrated flow sensor. So we have a dedicated flow sensor each for inspiratory parameters as well as for the expiratory parameters. Then for connecting the breathing bag, we have a connector over here. So here you can connect the breathing bag for the manual ventilation, and the APL valve is available, which is the calibrated APL valve with the gradings on that. And the same bellow system can be used for the adult and pediatric mode. The machine is also equipped with the auxiliary flow meter with a dedicated knob and a dedicated nozzle, where you can connect the venti mask and you can control the oxygen. Even if the machine is turned off, you can use this auxiliary flow meter. The machine has 2 spacious drawer and 1 extra tray we are giving. So this tray can be used as a writing table, as well as all the vials, all the syringes related to the anesthesia can be kept on that, and 2 drawers can be used for mounting or for putting all the accessories. So this is the master on-off switch, which will be controlling the pneumatics as well as the electronic part of the machine. So now, as soon as you turn on the machine, the electronic circuitry will turn on, as well as the pneumatics also get activated. The machine will boot in some time. So this is the self-test which will be done automatically, and it will give you all the status in the starting itself, that whatever parameters are in line or whatever is malfunction, so that will be shown on the screen itself. The next window will be will be coming up of the automatic circuit leak test and the compliance test. For performing this leak test, you have to follow the instruction as per written on the screen and then perform the leak test. The next test, after doing the automatic leak test, the next test it will be asking for is the manual test. So here also you have to follow the instructions which are written over here and then perform the manual leak test. Then after this, the machine will straight away go to the standby mode. In this machine we have upgraded many of the features. So right now it will be asking for the adult, pediatric and neonatal setup settings. So in the starting itself you can select the age, the weight of the patient, and you can select the category of the patient also. So we have a separate category selections, adult, pediatric and neonatal. And in neonatal mode you can go as low as 10 ml of tidal volume you can set in the volume control ventilation mode. And as you can see over here, we have added many more modes of ventilation in this. So now we have the volume control, we have the SIMV volume control with the pressure support. Then we have the SIMV pressure control with the pressure support. We have the pressure control ventilation. We have CPAP with pressure support, and we have added pressure control volume guarantee mode also in this. So these are the additional modes that we have added. After selecting the category of the patient and after entering into the patient age and the weight, you can always change the settings from the window over here. So these are the parameters which are settable. You can change the parameters from here, or you can go to the start ventilation. The ventilation will start. So in this machine, as you can see, the screen size has been increased. So we are giving 3 loops and 3 waveforms simultaneously. So you are getting the pressure versus time, volume versus time, flow versus time, and all the 3 loops are coming simultaneously. And these are the measured parameters which are coming. So in this machine, we have the different screen layouts also which you can select. So we have around 3 layouts which you can select on the display. So this is the big font display, and in the all parameters display you will be getting the more parameters monitoring, that will be showing you more than 22 parameters which are getting monitored at the same time. Very important feature that we have upgraded in the machine is that this machine will be now coming up with the optional upgradability to AGM, that is the anesthetic gas module, as well as the ETCO2. So you can upgrade the machine with the anesthetic gas module and you will be getting the waveform as well as the monitoring on the screen itself. So for that we have AG wave. So on this screen, on this layout, you will be getting the whatever the anesthetic agent is being delivered to the patient, the FI value, the ET value, along with the MAC value, that is the minimum manual concentration, as well as the CO2 value. So you will be getting the ETCO2 and FiCO2 also. So this machine comes with this feature that it can be upgraded with the AGM as well as the ETCO2. The advanced parameter that we have added in this machine is the lung recruitment facility that is there. So now you can perform the lung recruitment in 2 ways in this machine. So we have 2 maneuvers which we are giving, that is the one-step lung recruitment, the other is the multi-cycle recruitment. So the lung recruitment feature can be used with the anesthesia machine, which is with the new software and the new machine, that is Neptune Plus.